Hey techies, welcome back in Tech-IVP channel. So techies, in the last tutorial we discussed about how to set up Java. We discussed about overview of the Java, history of Java. So today we are going to learn how we can write the Java program. Okay, so today is the first class from the scratch level, how we can write Java program. So let's start. So firstly, the project I was already discussed with you, how we can create a project. Okay, how we can create a package. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about how we can write Java first program. Already we discussed about this one. Okay, already we discussed about this one, how we have to set up the Java and how this will be print. So first of all, what you will do, so let me create a Java package. The package name is com.MyFirstProg. Prog means program. Okay, and let's finish. So package is created. Now let me create a class. The class name is first Java program, or you can say that prog. And by default you can select here public static void main, which is a main method. In later classes we also discuss about this one. Already I told you, we discussed about why public is started with the small letter. Okay, is it why string is in the capital letter. Okay, in upcoming videos we will discuss about this one. Okay, so let me finish this one. So now my class is created, and this one is our main method. This one is our main method. Okay, this one is our main method. This one is package name. This one is class name. Okay, and this one is main method. Okay, in Java we already discussed about Java main method will be handle your total execution, all execution. If you want to perform any execution, so main method is required. Okay, so let me write down here first program. Let's see what we can write. Sysout means System.out.println. Okay, let me type here hello. Okay, hello, and let me execute this one and save resource. Now it's printed hello. Okay, if I want to print something else, sysout, and you can press control space bar, then auto session will be comes up, and then hit enter, and here double quote and type here I tech IVP students. Okay, hi tech IVP students, and let me finish this one and run this one. Okay, so this one is our first program. This is a very basic first program. Okay, so in upcoming video we also discuss about how we can write lengthy code. Okay, how we can. Okay guys, so in the next video, in the next tutorial we will discuss about basic syntax and comments. Basic syntax means this one, why we are writing this one, why we write here public static void main, why we can't use like simply this one. Okay, why it's necessary. If you see here, it's throwing the error syntax token. So in the upcoming tutorial we will discuss about this one, why we use syntax, what is the meaning of these syntax. These all are the syntax to write a programming language. Okay, okay, and also we can discuss about the comments, how you can comment your line. Suppose you want to only print here high tech IVP student, then how you can print, and you want to hide hello, how you can comment this one. So in upcoming video we'll discuss about this one. So that's all guys for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Bye, have a nice day.